Hello, Dr. Kehoe here at Health From Within in Orland Park, Illinois. I'm here to share with you one very simple tip that can help you alleviate neck pain at home and prevent it in the future. And the tip, before I get to it, I want to explain the background of why this tip is important and why it's effective. So if we look at this poster here, you might be able to see that we're supposed to have a normal curve in our neck that goes this way, as you can see there. It's supposed to be curved like that. What can happen over time is through looking down at phones, maybe getting in car accidents, sitting at desks for prolonged periods of time, we get more stress on our spine, that neck curve starts to straighten out. And that causes a lot of strain and tension on the neck, can pull on the muscles, and can lead to neck pain. So the thing that I'm going to show you is a very simple tip on how to combat that process, keep it from getting worse, maybe even reverse some of it, and two, it helps alleviate that neck pain that you might be experiencing. So what it is very simple. You can use what we call a sleep aid. So in our office, we give a lot of our patients what we call a sleep aid, where they lay on this roller with their neck. If you don't have one of these specific tools at home, what you can do is you can roll up a towel into about this size, this diameter, to make it about this shape, and you can use it just like that. And how you're going to use it is by putting it right under your neck when you lay down. So we've got our model here, Katie, as we can see here, and what we're going to do, Katie, just go ahead and lift your head up, and this roller is just going to go right there under the neck. All right, and adjust it as you need to, but it's just going to lay right there, and it's going to reinforce that curve that she's supposed to have in her neck, and as she might be able to tell you, it feels pretty good and helps alleviate some neck pain, especially after a long day. So go ahead and do that. Roll up a towel, come into the office. We can give you one of these if you're a candidate for it, and start getting rid of your neck pain and get that curve back in your neck. Thanks for watching.